Everyone thinks the best-selling running boards for the Ram 1500 are automatically the best option. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider Running Boards. First up, we have the Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider Running Boards. Priced at $199, these running boards caught my attention with their distinctive oval tube design and solid 4.7-star rating from 1,600 reviews. If you want a sturdy step that combines style with functionality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3.5-inch wide step pad offers a non-slip surface, giving you greater stability as you enter and exit your truck. Plus, the seamless construction protects against rust and corrosion, which means they'll stand up to harsh weather conditions. With a weight capacity of 500 pounds, they're tough enough for everyday use. And installation, you can do it in just 20 minutes without drilling. Everything you need comes right in the box. Now, some people complained about the fitment not being great for the Ram 1500 Classic. Here's the thing though, if you have a 2019-2026 crew cab, you're in the clear, and the ease of installation really offsets this issue for most users. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and stylish running board that enhances your truck's functionality. Skip this one if you're driving a different cab style though. Alright, if the fitment of the Tiger Auto boards had you worried, the next one might be just what you're looking for. Product number 2, COMNOVA 6 inches running boards. Next, let's talk about the COMNOVA 6 inches running boards. At $169.99, these stainless steel side steps are another great option, boasting a 4.7-star rating from 2,000 reviews. If you're looking for a wider step with innovative features, this one is worth considering. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these boards resist corrosion, ensuring they'll look good over time. The patented slider design allows you to adjust their position on the vehicle, giving you customization that suits your style. Plus, with a weight capacity of 500 pounds and easy installation, you're getting great value. Now, some users mention that the installation instructions could be clearer. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the straightforward bolt-on design makes up for that lack of clarity. This is perfect for you if you prioritize both aesthetics and functionality in your running boards. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a more rugged design though. Alright, moving on. If the adjustment feature of the COMNOVA caught your eye, wait until you hear about the next product. Product number 3, Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider Running Boards Older Models. The third product on our list is the Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider Running Boards designed for older models, priced at $179. This version has a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,300 reviews. If you own a 2010-2018 model, this is definitely worth a second look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These running boards are compatible with a range of models, including the 1500, 2500, and 3500, providing a snug fit. Similar to the newer version, these also have a 3.5-inch wide step pad, ensuring stability when climbing in. They're constructed from heavy-duty carbon steel with a powder coating for rust resistance, meaning they'll last. Here's the thing, if you're comfortable with minor modifications, this isn't a deal breaker, and the durability you gain is well worth it. This is perfect for you if you need reliable steps for older trucks. Skip this one if you're not keen on any drilling or modifications. Now, if drilling isn't your thing, you'll want to check out the next product on our list. Product number 4, Audible 6 2-Stairs Running Boards. Next up, we have the Audible 6 2-Stairs Running Boards. Priced at $199.99, these boards have a 4.5-star rating from 606 reviews. If you're looking for ease of access, this design is definitely worth your attention. The additional height also means more secure footing and less risk of slipping when climbing up. Plus, they're constructed with coated carbon steel, ensuring they withstand various weather conditions. Some users mention that the installation could be slightly challenging without proper instructions. But I'll be real with you, the durability and safety features really make this a worthwhile option for those who need extra support getting in and out. This is perfect for you if you often have passengers who struggle to step up. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional single-step design. Now, if the two stairs feature intrigued you, you'll want to hear about our final pick. Product number 5, SMANOW Drop-Down Running Boards. Last but not least, we have the SMANOW Drop-Down Running Boards. These are priced at $179.99 and carry a 4.2-star rating from 2,000 reviews. If you're after a versatile option that fits a broad range of models, this one is definitely worth considering. The heavy-duty material offers excellent durability and the anti-slip tread ensures safety. Plus, it fits a variety of models, including the Classic, which is a huge plus for many. However, some users pointed out that they require a bit of drilling for certain models. But honestly, if you're okay with that, the performance and look of these running boards truly justify the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a running board that combines safety and style across multiple models. Skip this one if you're not keen on any drilling or modifications. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 running boards for the Ram 1500. To recap, the Tiger Auto and COMNOVA options are fantastic for their blend of style and functionality, while the older Tiger model remains a solid choice for older trucks. Autobull's two-stairs design is perfect for families, and SMANOW provides versatility. Whichever you choose, you're definitely improving your truck's accessibility and style.